Hello students, welcome to the new academic year 2020-21. Now you are the grown-up students of 9th standard. Earlier you were called as a student of primary section. Now you will be called as a student of secondary section. So welcome to this new phase of your life. Myself, Shweta Popat, I am going to take your maths and science. Before starting with the subjects, I would like to say that due to COVID-19, schools are closed and the only option left for you is online studying. I know you are habituated with the classroom teaching, so in earlier stages you may find it difficult. But slowly, as it will continue, you will be able to grasp it properly, and we hope that soon things get normal and we get back to our normal classroom teaching. As far as my subjects are concerned, I know that students find maths and science as difficult, but no need to fear with these subjects. When your fear will get removed, you will enjoy these two subjects, and rather you can say that these two subjects are the most scoring subjects. The only thing required for this is continuous practice. If you go on continuously practicing, I am sure that you can get a very good result. Let us start with science. Science is very interesting subject. It has lots of varieties. Here you have to learn, you have to grasp, you have to solve, you have to draw, and many other things. Till now you have studied science in general, but now we have to study science with its different parts. Mainly the science is divided into three parts: physics, chemistry, and biology. Physics deals with the physical concepts of our life like heat, temperature, motion, that is movement of things, we can say our movement also, light, etc. Chemistry deals with the things which we are using in our daily life, which we are seeing around us, the different compounds which are there in the nature. And biology deals with biological life of plants and animals. We are going to study about all these things in detail as we continue with our chapters. As far as 9th science is concerned, all of you have received the books. You can see in the contents that there are total 15 chapters in 9th standard. First 4 chapters, they are the chapters of chemistry. 5th, 6th and 7th chapter are the chapters of biology. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, they are the chapters of physics, and 13, 14 and 15 chapters are the chapters which are related to general environment. Now the way with which we are going to deal with this science is, you will be given the YouTube link in the WhatsApp group of the lecture. You have to go through the lecture along with the textbook in your hand, and not only once, but you should go through this topic 2 to 3 times and try to understand it properly. Along with the link, some questions also will be given to you from that topic. You have to make a separate book of science and you have to write the answers of those questions in that book. One particular day will be given to you for the submission of my homework. You have to submit your homework on that particular day only in the same WhatsApp group. Now maths. Maths is a subject of calculations, and for this I would like to advise that go through the tables and the calculations which you have studied in lower standards one more time when you are free, especially the tables which will help you to solve the sums in this 9th standard. Maths of 9th deals with algebra, geometry, statistics, probability, etc. If you will open the first page of the textbook, you can see in the contents that there are total 15 chapters in maths. The method you have to follow in maths is same as the method you have to follow in science. You have to write the homework which is given to you in a separate notebook for maths. Exercise questions will be there which you have to solve with the reference of the video and with the textbook illustrations. For maths, I would like to advise you that solve each sum 2 to 3 times. Not only just for submission you are solving it one time and submitting it, but for your practice you have to solve each and every sum 2 to 3 times, so that you will find the calculations much more easier and math subject will not be difficult to you. So students, vacations are over. Now it's time for you to study. Buck up with your studies and prepare well for the 9th standard, as it is the base of your 10th standard. All the best.